So today we had College Career Fair, and this was an opportunity to show our students what careers are out there as they're getting ready and going through their education. So we just kind of give them an idea as they are thinking about what is it that they want to do. So this is the perfect opportunity. We also have Career on Wheels for our younger students. So they're able to see the fire trucks, the policemen. So anything is possible for our students, and we wanted to give them that opportunity today.
It was like really fun. I was having fun. It'll teach you other careers you can be when you want to grow up if your first career isn't like what you planned it would be. I want to be a pilot because, well, you get to fly all over the world for free. I'd probably say do what suits you the best. Like if you're good at math, and you could become like a banker if you want to. You can become a singer or whatever you want to be in life.